Hello, welcome to this lecture video. So today we will be discussing a topic on problem solving heuristic. So I am teacher Melai. So this is the different problem solving heuristics. So we actually have a separate video for letter A, search for pattern and formulate conjecture. So we have other more problem solving heuristics like make a diagram, and all heuristics listed here. But in this video, our focus is to consider letter B only, and that is to make a diagram. So we are going to consider one problem just to show you this type of heuristic. Okay, so we are going to answer the handshake problem. So Mr. and Mrs. Sarmiento recently attended a party. So they were with 3 other couples. So if various handshakes took place, but with the following condition. So we have no one shook hand with his or her spouse. No one shook hand with the same person twice. And no one shook his or her own hand. So after all the handshaking, Mr. Sarmiento asked each person how many hands they had shaken. So to his surprise, each gave different answers. So what are the possible answers given by the individuals in the party? So to answer this, we are going to use a diagram. Actually, you can use other method, but using a diagram is also a method that can be used here. So let us consider answering this problem. So as mentioned, we have 4 couples all in all, Mr. and Mrs. Sarmiento and the 3 other couples in the party. So we are going to use the following. So we have husband 1 and wife 1, husband 2 and wife 2, husband 3 and wife 3, husband 4 and wife 4. So let's consider points here to represent our individuals. Okay, so let us consider husband 1. So for husband 1, so we have husband 1 and wife 2. Of course, we cannot connect lines to husband 1 and wife 1 because that is one of the conditions given. So no handshake with his or her own spouse. And then husband 1 and wife 3, husband 1 and wife 4, husband 1 and wife husband 4, husband 1 and husband 3, husband 1 and husband 2. So here, for each one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 handshake. While for wife 1, it is 0. Now let us consider husband 2. So for husband 2, so we have husband 1 and husband 2, as of course this is the same line, but we will just count it. So husband 1 and husband 2, husband 2 and husband 3, husband 2 and husband 4, husband 2 and wife 4, husband 2 and wife 3. So there's again no connection with husband 2 and wife 2. So how many connections or handshakes? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. While for wife 2, so we have here, of course, the red mark connecting this. or let us rather use another color to represent that. So this connection, so it is for wife 2, it is 1. And then let's also count for husband number 3. So about husband number 3? So we have, of course, the same connection here. Husband 2, husband 3, husband 3 to husband 4, husband 3 to wife 4. We cannot again connect husband 3 to wife 3. So all in all, we have husband 3 to husband 2, husband 3 to husband 4, husband, of course, the same line here, husband 1 in age 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So for age 3, we have 4. And then for wife 3, so we have how many lines connecting our wife 3? So let us count. 1 and 2. So we have 2. And then for husband 4, so we have, of course, the same line connecting husband 3 and husband 4. Husband 4 and husband 2, husband 4 and husband 1. So that's actually the same line. We are just counting it. So we cannot connect husband 4 with husband wife 4 because of course husband 4's spouse is wife 4. So for husband 4, it is 3. For wife 4, so let us also count the lines connecting. So we have the blue, yellow, and red. So that is also 3. So if Mr. Sarmiento asked each of the guests, like for example, H1. So for husband 1, the answer of husband 1 is 6, while the answer of wife 1, it is 0. The answer of husband 2 is 5, while the answer of wife 2 is 1. The husband 3 answered 4, wife 3 answered 2, husband 4 answered 3, wife 4 answered 3. And of course, here, we can also say that since we have the same numbers for husband 4 and wife 4, which is 3 to 3, so this is similar with our concerning here that you cannot handshake yourself, which means it could be possible that husband 4 and wife 4 are the host of the party. So we will just count this as, so 3 for the host, and for the answer, for the final answer, so we have a minimum of 0 and a maximum of 0. So as mentioned in our introduction, so this is just one way of solving this problem, because if you notice, we also have here patterns like the total sum of husband 1 and wife 1 is equal to 6. The total answer of husband 2 and wife 2 is also 6. The total answer of husband 3 and wife 3 is equal to 6. The total answer of husband 4 and wife 4 is equal to 6. So if you notice that, you can actually search for the patterns, and as you can see here, if we decrease a number to, like for instance, husband 4, it is already 5. So obviously wife 2 is 1. So there is also a pattern that can be explored. So as mentioned, again, this is just one way of answering this question. So thank you for watching.